Ready?
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh my God.
Welcome back to the YouTube channel, guys. I fired Bruce and I just bought this truck.
Since Amber's not very vocal today, this is our donor truck for the Dirty Business Pull and Treader. I think we've decided on that name. It's going to be Dirty Business. You happy with that?
I want to do Dirty Shirley.
Dirty Shirley? It just doesn't make sense. We got to stay business related. We'll see. We'll put a poll up. Dirty Shirley or Dirty... It doesn't make sense because Dirty Shirley is a red alcoholic drink.
Well, we can paint it red.
It's a Ford. It's got to stay blue.
Oh.
Anyways, we bought this truck. It's a 1987 Ford F something or another, but it's got the 7.8 liter Ford engine in it, which is like 470 cubic inches or something like that. And after talking to our friends over at Forester, Corey Forester said, we need to find a truck with this engine. So we got it. I sent Lake, he went and picked it up, but he had to drag it on the trailer. So we're going to try to get this thing started up today and see what kind of shape this engine's in. So we're going to do a little will it start on this thing. This thing's been sitting in this guy's backyard forever. He pulled it out of the bushes and pressure washed it. That's why it looks nice, but we don't know if it runs. So hopefully it does. We picked her over $1,500. Press down button. All right, here we go. That's good. It's crazy that we bought this truck to pull the engine out and put it in a tractor. Oh, shoot. Amber, get in there and steer it. Oh, look at that. O'Brien's Tractor Service.
God.
Oh, yeah, this thing looks brand new on the inside. Shoot.
Shoot.
Let me roll your window down for you, ma'am. Now start turning it to the left really hard. It's not going to be easy.
Oh, I don't know if I can do this. I can't do it. I can't do it.
Come on, crank that thing, girl. Crank it. All right, go straight. Straight.
I'm trying there, sir.
To the left a little bit. Right there.
Can you open the hood for me?
Well, how do you want me to do it? Just very carefully?
Yeah.
Okay. Hold on. Is everything unstrapped, I hope?
Oh.
Oops. Do we want to remove the hood, Amber?
What?
Do we need to remove it?
Yeah?
Yeah? Okay. Oh, there we go. Yeah. Do we need to remove it the rest of the way?
Yeah.
Okay. Do we need to finish removing it?
Oh, Lord.
I think the hood's off of it now. I know what's wrong with it. Ain't got no water in it. So there we have it. It's got a Ford engine in there. It says Ford right on the intake there. 7.8 liter Turbski. Turbski powered over here. Look at the Turbski. It's just a baby.
It's just a baby.
So we're gonna be putting a big old windy boy on it once we get this thing going. All right, Amber, find the batteries on it. I'm serious. Where are the batteries? Here, well, right there. That right there's where they're supposed to be. Okay. All right. I guess we'll go find one good battery and put in there. Let's go.
I can't do
Putting
this.
in work today. Come on, you got it. That battery weighs half as much as you do. Oh boy. Now I don't know which one's hot and which one's not, so.
That thing looks like it's just gonna fall right.
It does look like it's about to fold on it. Alright, that one must be the hot side, I think. Don't know. We're gonna find out whenever we hook all this stuff up and.
Will it blow?
Oh, maybe it's not. Oh, must be hooked up right. All right, babe, get in there. Probably want to go from the other side. What is this? You don't need a filter. At least they're using the right stuff. Got some Hot Shot Secret in there.
Oh, I just hit my knee.
You hit your weenie?
I hit my knee. My weenus.
All right.
I'm just kidding.
Wiggle the shifter back and forth, side to side. Shifter. Shifter.
Oh.
Let's make sure it's
Sorry,
in
I had a
neutral.
brain fart for a minute.
All right, hit the key, see if she spins over. Oh, hold up, whoa, wait. All right, you're gonna hold the throttle all the way down. We'll get a can of starting fluid.
I just don't want it to fly forward.
You're gonna hold them, once it starts up, you're gonna spin it over. Once it fires, just let off the throttle.
What?
All right, go for it.
Okay, so push the throttle down
Yep,
and then start the key.
yep.
And then once it starts, take that off the throttle?
Correct.
Okay.
Good. Turn the key off. Key off.
Yes.
On.
Put it on?
Yep.
Do I do the same thing I just did?
Okay, I see the issue. Our shut off is not. All right, spin it over again.
Push the throttle down?
No.
Okay.
Go ahead. Give it a little bit of throttle, just a tiny bit.
Do I push the throttle down though?
Yeah, just a tiny bit. Go ahead. Woo, there you go. Give her some revs. Rev it up, rev it up. Oh.
Is that good?
This thing runs good. Shut it off, see if it'll start back up. All right, try it again. Throttle, give it a little bit of throttle. There it is. It's alive. So I think the brakes work off vacuum pressure. Maybe, I don't know. I don't see an air compressor. All right, I'll see if she'll move. You want to drive it? Yep, come on. Get on in there. You're going to learn today. It's a manual too.
No, because there's not a lot of room for me. Like, if I were to run into something.
I'll get in the passenger side. Or you know what? I got you. Just press the clutch down. All the way.
Oh, shoot.
You're gonna push that over, forward. All right. Let out the clutch real easy.
Do I have to turn it off?
Yeah.
Why
Let
are
out
you
the
going
clutch.
backwards?
Brakes work. Let off the clutch. Slow. Go ahead. Go. Let off the clutch. Let off.
Oh, we're going backwards.
Yeah, we're going
I thought we were going
backwards.
forward. I was like,
Going
why are we
backwards.
Going
All right. Press the clutch in. Brake. Brake. All right. I'll pull the shifter straight backward.
Wait.
Let off the clutch.
That's to the left and back.
Let off the clutch a little bit. What the heck, dude? You stuck?
Well, you're telling me to do a bunch of different things at one
All right,
time.
well,
I can't.
that's
My brain can't
that's how
function
you
that
shift.
fast.
Press the clutch down and start it back up. Give a little bit of gas.
Okay.
All right, you're gonna go forward. Give it a little bit of gas, just a tiny bit. Just a little bit.
Okay.
All right, drive us around a circle.
I can't see where I'm going.
Yeehaw! Dang old tractor truck right here, old son. Keep going. All right, clutch. All the way in. Put it in neutral. Oh, there you go. Pull that lever out. That's park. There you go. Let off the clutch. Now shut her down. Shut her down, Lieutenant. Well, there we go. This thing runs and rides. Amber's got to get going because we're still finishing moving into our new house. And I don't think you just don't want to be here, do you?
No, I just got things I gotta do.
Oh, okay. You know what? I'm just gonna let you build your own tractor then.
Oh.
Well, it's my money anyways.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's mommy's money instead of
Yeah.
daddy's money.
I pay for everything.
She pays for the semis.
Yep.
She pays for everything, guys. She bought us the new house too.
Yeah.
All right. Well, we're gonna find a way to get this cab off.
I know one way.
I mean, there's not really any oil to leak anywhere.
Oh, so all you want is the motor? Oh.
All right, so what you're gonna do is you're gonna pick this up,
Pick what up?
pull back, keep going. All right, now we're gonna go forward. Put your foot on the brake. That's good. Now we're gonna carefully, go ahead. We're gonna carefully remove this cab.
Why are you making me do that?
Pick it up a little bit. Slow down. Pick it up a little bit. Right there. All right. Go.
Oh, that's sad.
Go. Go, 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 go. Oh, shoot. Go ahead.
Lift it up.
All right, now stop. You're going to pull back on that one. Pull back. Pull back. Pull back. All right, whoa. Now pick up on that. Keep going.
I'm scared.
Pull
I'm
back.
scared.
Pull back. Oh, my goodness. I said remove the cab, not the roof. What the heck?
Now what?
Pick up.
All right.
All right, thanks for guest starring today.
See you later.
Don't worry, I'll build your tractor for you. Yeah! This cab's got to come off today.
See y'all later.
Lake's over there. Oh, look at that mess I'm about to have to clean up. He's like, are you serious right now? Why is this cab not coming off? Oh my gosh.
Oh my!
The battery fell out. We got this whole truck picked up. Look at the back of the telehandler. Look at the back of the telehandler. It's off the ground. All I want is the engine. Why is it so hard to get out? Well, now we might be getting somewhere. Oh, where'd the ball go?
Oh no.
That's all right. It wouldn't come off anyway, so we just break it off. It's whatever. Ready? We're gonna get my dad some new forks by the time we're done with all this. He's gonna be pissed. Think we can get the steering wheel out? Ah, I missed it. There it is. You know what? You know what that's doing? That's going in a mystery box.
Oh.
You know where you can get those at? BruceWilsonShop.com. Every dollar spent gets you entered to win the RC Desert Buggy and $1,500 in cash. And we're gonna put that sweet broken steering wheel with a nice warning label and a mystery box, guys. That one right there on the ground. See it over there? Don't miss it. Full steam ahead, boys. I think this is it right here. Oh yeah. Yeah! That's how you do it. Right to the scrap pile. I'm going to scrap. I'll be right back. Excuse me. I'll be right back. I don't think there's any better way to remove a cab.
No.
Now you got to pop this side up a little bit. And it'll be right there. Oh, we forgot the radiator.
I was trying to tell you that earlier.
Jeez. Oh, here we go.
Perfect. Oh.
That's some nasty water, boy.
Gosh.
Poor leg. You're gonna be cleaning for days. All right, guys, we got the torch broke out. There are a few things we're gonna have to cut with the torch to get, stuff loose. You think we can still get this engine started with the cab off on it?
Yeah.
I bet I can get it started and move it around.
I bet you can too.
It's not gonna move. There's a steering wheel.
I forgot about that part.
We'll get it started. Boom.
Got it.
I think that's it.
There was another one.
I know, but I'm pretty positive that's it. I already got the other side broke loose. All right, this cab's ready to come off. Folks, cab's coming off. Hopefully. Maybe.
Oh. Oh God.
All right, since we're scrapping the rest of the truck, we'll just leave that right there. What do you
On
think?
the bed.
On the bed. All right. Let's see what else. Oh, we gotta see if it'll start. Let's see if it'll start.
Hopefully it's still not in gear.
Shoot, I'll make sure it's not in gear. Right there's the shifter. Look at that. Boing. All right, she's in neutral. Dang, there's an engine under here after all. Look at that. Still got our fuel lines all hooked up. I don't see any reason why it won't start running. I don't know why you doubted me. Why are you doubting me?
Not
Sure sounds like it.
just doubting it because it's Ford.
Okay, I can get behind that one. All right, comment down below. You guys think it's on fire with no cap on it no more? Luckily, I know how to tickle it in all the right places. She's about to get tickled.
Oh boy.
Ready?
Yeah.
Woo!
Oh
Boy.
my God.
God dang. That boy was running.
I lost a finger.
I know. Whole dang starter done jumped up out of there. Ready to do it again? There you go. Woohoo! Should we throw some stuff at the fan blade?
Yeah. Need some fruit.
Oh shoot, shut it off, shut it off, shut it off.
What's happening?
So while we broke everything, we also broke an oil pressure line.
Oh, that ain't good.
No, it's not. So there it is, it's running, it's alive. And I'm thinking that I'm gonna let Lake clean this mess up and work on unbolting everything else to get this engine out here. But here it is, guys, our donor engine for Dirty Business, the pulling tractor. And we found another item to go in a mystery box. There you go. Every video, I'm gonna find cool stuff from each video. We're gonna throw it in mystery boxes, guys. Only to be had at brucewilsonshop.com. The business expense pulling truck shirts are there. Blue collar trucking hats on there. I'm thinking about adding buytractor.com hats on there because we got a bunch of those, guys. If any of you are interested in those, comment down below. Let me know. Would you like to purchase one? And don't forget to get entered to win the RC Desert Buggy. You know what? Let's go inside and show these folks what they're missing out on.
Yep.
Ryan, are you sure we can't take this out and go play with it?
You're telling me.
It's killing me seeing this thing sit on the counter and knowing that we have to give it away. I don't know. You know, I think Aaron, my brother, has one. We should get his and go rip it one day.
Oh yeah.
We should. And
They
you
are
guys
rippers.
can see how bad. Man, look at this thing. Look at this suspension work. Ready? Watch this. Boom. Nothing.
Like a pillow.
Boom. Nothing. It's crazy. It's legit, guys. All you gotta do is go to brucewilsonshop.com and get entered to win this buggy and $1,500 in cash. It's that simple. So like I said, guys, we're gonna throw this sweet boy in a mystery box. Hope you enjoyed the video. We're gonna be tearing that engine out here in the next couple days and getting a hold of Corey Forrester and see what we need to do. Hopefully making a trip up to Virginia with those guys and building it on camera, dynoing it, and showing you everything. Comment down below. Do you guys like seeing Amber in the videos? I'm sure you do. The numbers show you do. But comment down below, guys. Subscribe to the channel. I'll see you later. Peace.